first video. It's too fucking long. Y'all don't fucking stand how I fucking did it. It won. Don't do that. All right. Welcome to the first YouTube video. Yee! Y'all, we here. My name is Benedict. But we're here. Welcome to the first ever YouTube video that I'm creating. I'm actually gonna edit this myself. Holy shit. Yeah, Ben. What's your name? Ben and Charlie got me. Rush Club. As soon as I saw this.
Fighting and winning for our nation.
As soon as I saw this shit, bro.
Really
I was like, this is a must see. A
must
must
see.
see. A must see.
Always
I caught my eye straight up.
Marie.
Here we go. Yup. Are you ready for the start? Dang, you got a big anaconda.
Nice to meet you.
You too.
I'm sorry.
Oh, the bitch! The bitch was already pressing it! I can't. Yo. If I'm him, I'm swinging on my shorty. Don't do it. Bro, I'm squaring up on the spot.
Oh, it didn't turn red yet.
No, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry.
She said, I'm so sorry. I'm like... What a start. What a start. What a fucking start.
Show.
This might be the best one I've watched. I can't,
When the button lights up red, either player may press it and swap out their date for a new person.
Get out of here.
If two people can last on a date for 10
Shut your bitch ass up. I'm not even playing the damn game you tell me to get out of here. Shit, I might walk up, put my headphones out, call it a day. Shit.
minutes.
How are you?
Yeah, bro listens to Leakin Park 24/7.
Pretty well.
You two have
And she believes in astrology signs. I hate this date. I'm gonna keep it on it, but hey, we keep on going.
similar vibes.
Do we? What's this vibe that?
Yeah, what's the similar
yeah.
vibe?
Like aesthetic.
Okay.
Bro, we're at 38 seconds into this, and I've had 3 mental breakdowns. Excuse me, what? Fuck is you talking about? Like, what is this shit? Alright, let's go.
Do you find each other attractive?
Oh, you're waiting for me to go first.
I'm about to... Are you seeing this shit?
Long hair. Hi.
Oh, hi.
I'm Nicole.
Nicole, nice to meet you.
you.
Hi.
Ryan was in the army.
You're in the
Shout
I
out,
was
Ryan.
in the army, yeah.
Shout out,
From
Ryan.
2012 to 2016.
This mid chick is... she's mid. She's below mid. Go to sleep. My bad. Fuck.
Why did you press me?
I don't know, man. Something about army guys.
Why do you hate our...
I'm about to say, why do you hate our troops? They sacrificed for our fucking country. That's why I'm making this video today. World War III might happen, you're fucking skipping that shit. He needs some love in his life. Give him some chastity, nurturing. Damn. I'm about to punch this bitch, man. Pissing me off. Make me break my whole damn setup because of you. Make me lose my voice for the damn stream tomorrow. They got fucking stream. We're already a minute into this. I got a ton of editing to do because it's bullshit. Come here, Froggy.
our troops?
I don't. They're just very like I don't know, overly masculine. Hi, I'm Nicole.
Nicole, Omari.
Cool. So, what do you do for fun?
What do I do for fun? Video games, mostly.
Video games.
Oh.
Okay.
Why she try to sound sexy? Shut up, bro. Down. Shout out my guy.
Video games.
The big. So the last one I put.
I might just fight you, bro. I'm gonna keep it 100. I might fight you. You're talking crazy. Skipping all these grateful guys. Look at his pain. His pain is he's suffering right now, and you're just being a complete little. Get him, Q.
Got me. All right.
Why did you reject him?
Because there's more to life than video games.
Why you so damn picky, bro? Why you so? I can't get banned on YouTube. I can't get canceled if I blow up, cause I'm gonna say some sensitive shit. Cause she's pissing me at that.
I've heard about you though.
What have they said?
Ole, ole, ole. Back in the day, I actually met Tarantino back when he was a kid. And John Wilkes Booth was hit the Dougie. And I didn't like it, so I banged him back in the day. So I just jumped him with the boys. Web do boys, we were just, yeah, fuck you, you know what I'm saying? And then back, yo, George Washington came out the cut. It was crazy. It was the craziest event of my life. Oh, that takes me back, bro. Oh, it takes me back, yo.
I'm sorry.
No, it's okay. I don't take it personally.
Stand up.
Be gentle.
Yeah.
I'm good. How are you?
I'm doing all right. I'm not really a morning person. By this time, I usually have had like 2 Red Bulls or something like that.
Oh, okay. What do you do?
I tried to get a.
He didn't even have a chair.
Sorry.
Why did you press me?
Because he's not my type.
Next date, please.
Hi.
What the fuck? What does this world come to? What is this? What the fuck is wrong with the world? Furries! Furries!
My name's Taylor.
I didn't get the memo.
Get the fuck out!
I just dress up and I put smiles on people's faces. So
Do you have like?
What gives you the right mind to dress up as a literal animal and walk around? I'm about to fight my brother and he hasn't even done shit.
Like multiple, or is it?
I only have one.
Oh shit!
You seem lovely.
So tomorrow just skip. I mean, I don't blame you for skipping. Some motherfucker came dressed up as a hyena. Fuck is you talking about? Thank you. That is the first skip. That is the first skip. I'm actually like, yo, I agree. Anything else? The fuck? With that?
Yeah.
Patty, are you a virgin?
A virgin?
I am.
Are you a virgin?
Yes, I am.
Oh, okay. Do you usually have to tell people that first off the bat on a date? Or you usually just casually
no,
ease
I
into
just-
it
I
at
just
a
keep
point?
If she skips, guys, I'm ending this fucking video. I might just end this video.
Yeah,
Okay.
Because you know what? I'm struggling that as a fucking man. I'm a virgin. I get no hoes. Okay? And what? Feel sorry for myself tonight. And what? Are you ready? Yes. You know what? I agree. You know what? Hey, City Boys, we are fucking.
How do you feel?
feel good about you?
I feel good. Okay, so one thing that's big for me is music.
Music.
Yeah, so can you give me like a top 5?
I like more like hip hop, R&B.
What the fuck is that? What is that? What is that? Who you fucking It the Clown? Try to scare some kids. Fuck. This hoe's tripping, bro. What the fuck? I ain't got no game, but I'm smart not to do that bullshit. Alright? I'm funny as hell, though. Yeah. Charming. I gotta shut the fuck up. Alright.
Do you like to dance?
I like to dance. What about you?
No.
Everybody can dance.
No?
Prove it. Prove it, Jordan.
Oh, this is fun. I appreciate you. You were fun. We could be friends.
Alright.
Nice to meet you.
You too. You too.
Sorry.
Oh, it didn't turn red yet.
No, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry.
Tell me about yourself.
Okay, I'm Gabrielle.
Give each other a chance.
Yeah, let's give each other a chance. Let's.
Yeah, let's-
Okay, you want to
come
do
on.
that? I do see you as a friend, though. No.
Karma bite your bitch ass in the ass. Send your. I don't know if I can cuss a lot. I don't know if I can cuss a lot because I'm gonna get like demonetized or some shit. But you know what? Fuck it. Send your dumb ass back to the damn room where everyone else is sitting. I'm tired of this shit. So mean to my guy. He didn't even say nothing. Came up looking all nice and shit. He gotta be an asshole about it. I'm so pissed off. I'm just like I want to punch my damn computer in the throat. And my computer's not even human. Where's the throat at? You know, at the bottom. Oh shit.
We're like freezing earlier. Just like,
Yeah.
so like ice cold because I just nervous.
They look so cute together. You know. Come on now.
Yeah.
But
I'm done. I'm so fucking done. I'm so done.
You've been rejected, Joel. Why did
You ain't gotta rub it in his face, bro. The button. I'm about to come through the screen and press your shit until I break it. Till I break your damn face.
you press me?
It was a little bit like forced.
What was forced? It's a fucking date. What was forced? I'm about to pass out, yep.
Pressed so fast last time.
Oh, you've been here before? Like you've done it?
We went.
Because they went through all the guys. Because a bunch of these hoes got so much high damn standards. And these are great guys. Great guys. They might not be the best looking, you know, but the personality makes up for it. That's like me. My personality makes up for my fucking ugly looks. But look at me here. Funny as shit. Loud as shit. Loud's not a good trait, but some people like loud. You know what I'm saying? Because I'm vocal. I be talking on the call. Hey, he's cut. Scream. Stop. Like I'm here. You feel me?
I
Give me an
won't do it
example.
quickly if you don't do it quickly.
Okay.
Can we make a truce?
Sure.
I'm calling her. She's gonna quickly. Speak. She's gonna press it quickly.
Why are humans so scared of rejection?
Rejection sucks. Who would like it?
Right, and
I've been. Nah, I'm not gonna say that on here. But my boys know the number, and it's a high ass number. I've only been accepted once. I got fucked up after that. You know what?
we're pretty egocentric, so like rejection.
I'm gonna keep it on. I don't even know what egocentric means. I don't even know how to spell it. Let's just continue.
Is part
Yeah.
of that.
I think we think that it reflects something about us as a person. Whereas sometimes now it's like a
I
stand.
think it's a tie, so we're gonna reject both of you.
Oh.
That makes sense. Okay.
Okay.
All right. Cool.
Hello.
Hello.
What's your name?
Kat.
Hi, I'm Jordan.
Nice to meet you.
How tall are you?
Oh, I'm 5'11 and a half.
Fucking hell, she's almost as tall as me. I'm a tall ass motherfucker. Tower below like that. Damn, tall as hell.
Alright, I'm about the same.
Okay.
What do you do for fun?
That is. I was about to. That might be cat. This dude might be like 5'9", 5'8". Yeah, that proportion does not add up. That's like 2 inches right there. You ready? Lying ass motherfucker. He just trying to get some pussy.
What does booze taste like?
Booze or boobs? Please clarify.
Both.
Both.
Do you swing both ways?
No.
Alright, so boobs taste like.
I feel like it tastes like any other part of your body. So.
From my personal experience, it tastes. Okay, it tastes like. I think my camera just died, but I think y'all heard what I said, right? Yeah.
What's your favorite part of a body to taste?
Boobs.
Boobs? He's going with boobs?
Yes.
I'm a lip gal, so I mean.
A lip.
Yeah.
Wait, how often do you see like the space?
I'm gonna say that pussy.
What do you do for work?
I'm a software engineer.
Oh wow.
What do you do?
I do construction or like carpentry. I lay wood and decks and
You
fences.
build stuff. That's impressive.
He lays the wood. I know I lay the wood pretty fucking good. That's what like on my business, on my hotline, I be saying, bro, I'm nice. You know me. All the hoes know me in my metro type, you heard me? The fucking world knows me, you heard me? I fucking like that, bro. Let's go.
I do, yeah.
Yes. If I built something, it'd fall over. So
Well,
kudos.
I can teach you.
I can teach you a lot of different things.
You're very attractive.
You're very, very attractive. And you're a software engineer? That's way smarter than me.
What turns you guys on?
What turns you on? Yes.
Right to it.
Depends on the
Listen.
situation. It's like, oh, he can fix something, like that's cool, or oh, he can lift that because I can't.
That's called role playing, and that's like some like Cornhub shit. They're like fixing something. Oh, I got stuck. Oh. Put a pound town, boy.
Yeah, like that's the term.
Ryan fixes things.
How tall are you? Stuff that my pastor tells me to read.
Are you very religious?
I don't know what that question
Are you
means
religious?
anymore. I meet with my pastor like once a month just to talk to him. Like,
Okay, that's fine.
model in your life.
It's not bad at
I have
all.
a dad right now, or dad in general, but that's a lot to lay on the first date. Yeah.
Was that a deal breaker for you?
It's not a deal breaker. I'm just very
If she skipped, I'm ending this video, guys.
not religious. Sorry.
I'm ending it.
Is that a deal
Because now I might have plans this afternoon.
Yeah.
with Ryan?
Maybe.
Ask her out. Ryan, ask her out.
Ryan!
I'm definitely super nervous.
Ryan!
But yeah, would you want to go out again?
Sure, I'll go out with you again.
Do I push them?
Congratulations.
Oh, sweet. dude.
You won the button.
What did I do to my computer? Shit. The fuck did... Let's pull up the Ender's Game, yo. Oh, shit.
Take the button. Oh no, it's gentle.
Absolutely not. Leave me alone.
Yeah! What a reaction to the first video. Holy shit. I don't even know what to say. But, shit. I don't know how to end this, so.